In the vibrant tapestry of human history, amidst the clamor of daily life and the sizzle of culinary delights, one unassuming hero stands tall: the refrigerator. Often overshadowed by its flashier counterparts, this indispensable appliance silently guards our perishables, reshaping the way we nourish ourselves. The term refrigerator traces its origins to the Latin word refrigerare, meaning to make cool or to refresh. Our expedition into the chronicles of refrigeration history commences with a remarkable ancient marvel known as the yakshal. Originating in Persia during the 4th century BCE, these ingenious structures were meticulously crafted to combat the sweltering desert heat and preserve perishable goods. Constructed from a blend of mud brick and special mortar, yakshals boasted conical shapes and subterranean chambers designed to trap cool air and shield their contents from the scorching sun. The functionality of yakshals rested on the principles of passive cooling, leveraging the natural properties of evaporative cooling and thermal mass. Water channels, often fed by canets, ancient underground aqueducts, facilitated the circulation of chilled air, while the thick mud brick walls provided insulation against external heat. As temperatures plummeted during the frigid desert nights, moisture condensed on the inner walls of the yakshal, forming a thin layer of ice that preserved perishable items stored within. Beyond Persia, similar techniques for food preservation emerged across diverse civilizations, from the ice houses of ancient China to the underground storage pits of Mesopotamia. These early innovations laid the groundwork for subsequent advancements in refrigeration technology, paving the way for the development of modern refrigerators. While the ancient yakshal relied on passive cooling methods and natural ice, modern refrigerators employ active cooling mechanisms powered by electricity. Despite this difference, both serve the fundamental purpose of preserving perishable goods by maintaining low temperatures. The historical evolution of refrigerators has been marked by significant advancements and innovations, each driven by the relentless pursuit of efficiency, convenience, and sustainability. One pivotal chapter in this narrative revolves around the development and adoption of refrigerants, particularly chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs, and their subsequent impact on the environment. In the mid-20th century, CFCs emerged as the refrigerants of choice due to their low toxicity, non-flammability, and excellent thermodynamic properties. These compounds revolutionized the refrigeration industry, enabling the production of more efficient and reliable refrigeration systems. However, their widespread use came at a significant cost to the environment. It was later discovered that CFCs contributed to the depletion of the ozone layer, a vital shield that protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation. The Montreal Protocol, an international treaty adopted in 1987, aimed to phase out the production and use of ozone-depleting substances, including CFCs. This marked a turning point in the history of refrigeration, prompting the industry to seek alternative refrigerants that posed fewer environmental risks. Enter hydrochlorofluorocarbons, HCFCs, which were introduced as transitional substitutes for CFCs. While HCFCs exhibited lower ozone-depleting potential than their predecessors, they still posed environmental concerns due to their greenhouse gas emissions. As a result, efforts intensified to develop more environmentally friendly refrigerants that could meet the demands of the refrigeration industry while minimizing environmental impact. The emergence of hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, represented a significant breakthrough in this regard. HFCs offered comparable thermodynamic properties to CFCs and HCFCs, but with negligible ozone-depleting potential. As a result, they became the preferred refrigerants for a wide range of applications, including household refrigerators, air conditioners, and commercial refrigeration systems. However, despite their environmental benefits, HFCs are potent greenhouse gases with high global warming potential, GWP. The widespread use of HFCs has contributed to climate change, prompting calls for their phase-down and eventual phase-out. In response, the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol was adopted in 2016, aiming to gradually reduce the production and consumption of HFCs worldwide. In recent years, the refrigeration industry has witnessed a growing trend towards the adoption of natural refrigerants, such as hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, and ammonia. These environmentally friendly alternatives offer promising solutions to the dual challenges of ozone depletion and climate change, providing a sustainable path forward for the future of refrigeration. But how does this modern marvel, the refrigerator, actually work to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold? Refrigerators operate on the fundamental principles of thermodynamics, harnessing the transfer of heat to create an environment ideal for food preservation. The process begins with a compressor, responsible for pressurizing the refrigerant gas, thus increasing its temperature and pressure. As the gas exits the compressor, it enters the condenser coils where it releases heat and transitions into a liquid state. Following this, the liquid refrigerant moves through the expansion valve, undergoing rapid expansion that results in a significant cooling effect. This chilled refrigerant then courses through the evaporator coils situated within the refrigerator's interior. As it travels, the refrigerant absorbs heat from the surroundings, effectively lowering the temperature and creating the cold atmosphere crucial for food preservation. This cycle of compression, condensation, expansion, and evaporation continues in a continuous loop, ensuring a consistent temperature within the refrigerator. To enhance functionality and user experience, modern refrigerators boast an array of features and innovations. From adjustable temperature settings to energy-efficient designs, these advancements are geared towards optimizing performance and convenience, ultimately providing users with an efficient and reliable appliance for their food storage needs. The evolution of refrigerators tells a captivating story of overcoming challenges in preserving food and fostering culinary innovation. Throughout history, civilizations have faced difficulties in storing perishable goods, especially in regions with harsh climates or limited access to natural cooling methods. Refrigerators emerged as a game-changing solution to this age-old problem, allowing people to extend the shelf life of food and explore new culinary horizons. One key reason behind the invention of refrigerators was the need to overcome seasonal variations in food availability. In ancient times, societies relied heavily on seasonal produce, resorting to methods like drying, salting, or fermenting to ensure a steady food supply year-round. However, these methods had limitations, leading to spoilage of perishable items like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. The introduction of refrigeration technology revolutionized food storage by enabling individuals to preserve perishable goods for longer periods without compromising quality or nutrition. Suddenly, fresh produce became accessible throughout the year, regardless of the season or location. This not only transformed dietary habits but also sparked creativity in culinary exploration. Refrigerators also played a vital role in improving public health and sanitation standards. By inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and pathogens, refrigeration helped reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses, particularly in densely populated urban areas with sanitation challenges. Moreover, refrigeration technology has spurred economic development and societal progress. The ability to mass-produce and distribute perishable goods on a global scale has fueled economic growth and expanded trade opportunities. Refrigeration has revolutionized the food industry, boosting sectors like agriculture, food processing, and retail, and creating jobs while fostering innovation. Additionally, refrigerators have been instrumental in addressing the issue of food waste, a growing concern in modern society. By prolonging the storage life of perishable items, refrigeration helps minimize spoilage and maximize resource utilization. This not only saves money for consumers but also eases strain on the food supply chain and reduces environmental impact. In conclusion, the invention of refrigerators marks a significant milestone in human history, reflecting the convergence of innovation, necessity, and ingenuity. From ancient preservation methods to modern refrigeration technology, the quest for effective food preservation has driven human progress and transformed our relationship with food. As we continue to refine and innovate in refrigeration technology, let us celebrate the legacy of this indispensable appliance and its profound impact on humanity's journey.